Um, my old Nest thermostat stopped working. The network setting wasn't working really good, so I replaced my Nest thermostat, but it's not paired with the heat link. So here the message came up when I tried to connect wirelessly to the heat link. So this is the error code. So I need to pair the heat link, and I'm going to show how to do it. Okay. So this is the heat link from my old thermostat. So I need to reset this thing. Press this button for 20 seconds until the blue light comes on. So it's doing the factory reset. So the blue blinking light is on. That means it's ready to pair. So here on the thermostat is connected. So just continue. It's a combi boiler. Continue. So the temperature. So anyways, it's done. Thank you.